For the role which I manage here at WTW, I think communication is key for every role, but for us it's even more critical. Godrej has been very clear and crisp with their communication. And how can I forget 26 July 2005 when the whole city had come to a standstill. Even at that point, we were all in office on that day. I still remember that. And Godrej, even at that time, were at the top of their game as always. The communication was very clear, which helped us to mobilize our resource and keep the office operational during those days too.
So everything we hear from them in the right time. That kind of helps us prepare ourselves better if we ask for anything, even from the operations team. So, they are there. They make themselves available. It's something that we can count on Godrej.
We'd ask for co-working space. Again, you have co-working space providers within the campus.
One of the things that I'm confident of is if we have a question, a concern, a need, that Godrej is extremely attentive and quick to get with us to address those concerns and the needs of our business.